Hi, Katherine Bilsborough here, and I'd just like to take the opportunity to invite you to come along to the IH conference in Toruń on the 16th of March. I'm going to be there doing a workshop and giving a plenary. The workshop is going to be very practical and it's all about common errors we make when we make materials for our classroom and how to avoid them. And then in the plenary, I'm going to be talking about how to recognize spot signs of low self-esteem in ourselves, in our colleagues, and in our students, and then suggest some strategies that we can use to help with that problem and to help our students and colleagues gain more self-confidence and fulfill their full potential. So very much looking forward to seeing you there. Bye for now.